Ever wanted to bake homemade cookies that are soft inside and crispy on the edges? Today, I am sharing one of the easiest oatmeal cookie recipes you will ever make. Welcome back. Today we are making soft and chewy oatmeal cookies using simple pantry ingredients that everyone will love. For this recipe, you will need rolled oats, all-purpose flour, butter, brown and white sugar, 1 egg, vanilla, baking soda, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. You can also include optional extras like raisins, chocolate chips, or chopped walnuts to add your own special touch. Grab your mixing bowls, measuring tools, a whisk or electric mixer, a baking tray, parchment paper, and a cooling rack. Start by placing softened butter in a large bowl. Add the brown and white sugar, then mix until the texture is light and creamy. Now, add 1 egg and vanilla extract. Continue mixing until the mixture becomes smooth and fluffy for that perfect cookie base. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. This helps distribute the ingredients evenly for a consistent texture. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture. Mix gently, then fold in the rolled oats until just combined. If you are using chocolate chips or raisins, this is the perfect time to fold them in. Avoid overmixing, as it can make the cookies tough. Cover the dough and let it rest in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. Chilling helps the cookies stay thick and soft while baking. Line your tray with parchment paper and scoop equal portions of dough. Leave enough space between them because they will spread in the oven. Bake in a preheated oven until the edges are golden. The centers should still look a little soft, as they will finish setting while they cool. Remove the tray and let the cookies rest for a few minutes. Then, transfer them to a cooling rack to firm up while staying chewy inside. Avoid common mistakes like using melted butter or adding too much flour. Remember, slightly underbaked is the secret to that perfect chewiness. For bakery quality results, use real vanilla extract and sprinkle a tiny bit of sea salt on top before putting them in the oven. Feel free to customize these treats. Try white chocolate, pecans, or dried cranberries. Every variation creates a completely new flavor experience. Oats provide fiber and nutrients, making these a more wholesome and satisfying treat than your average cookie. Serve these warm with a glass of cold milk, hot coffee, or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a delicious dessert. Store your cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week. You can also freeze the dough to bake fresh cookies later. Look at these beautiful results. Golden edges and soft centers. Every bite is warm, comforting, and full of homemade goodness. Here is a pro tip: place a slice of bread in the cookie container. The cookies will absorb the moisture and stay soft for days. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video and subscribe for more easy homemade treats every week. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer your oatmeal cookies with raisins or chocolate chips? We will see you in the next recipe.